I can see the angel of death all the way to grab my soul. Since my time is over now, it's time to leave and I must go. A chilly wind begins to blow within my soul from head to toe, and love's breath escapes my lips. Oh Allah, but if my time is over, it's my soul, Allah, as I'm flying your way, down another line, so I'm leaving. I'm leaving. Now I'm leaving. I'm leaving. But before I go, let me put my last word on you. This life is worthless if you don't put Allah first. Love each other, keep your faith. Don't let shaitan be your friend. Swallow the key to unlock your paradise. I can see the angel of death all the way to grab my soul. Since my time is over now,